Understanding symptoms, causes, and treatment. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. What is OCD? OCD is a mental health disorder characterized by obsessions, persistent, unwanted thoughts or fears, compulsions, repetitive behaviors performed to reduce anxiety. These behaviors interfere with daily life and cause distress. Symptoms of OCD. OCD symptoms are divided into obsessions and compulsions. People with OCD often experience intense anxiety and feel driven to perform rituals. Obsessions, unwanted thoughts. Common obsessions include fear of germs, contamination, or dirt. Unwanted thoughts of harming oneself or others. Fear of forgetting something important. Intrusive, aggressive, or taboo thoughts. Extreme need for symmetry, order, or perfection. Compulsions, repetitive behaviors. Common compulsions include excessive hand washing or cleaning, repeatedly checking locks, appliances, or personal items, counting things or repeating words in a certain pattern, arranging objects in a precise way, seeking reassurance from others frequently. What causes OCD? The exact cause is unknown, but contributing factors include genetics, family history of OCD, brain structure and function, differences in brain activity, neurotransmitters, serotonin imbalance, environmental factors, stress, trauma, or infections. How is OCD diagnosed? Diagnosis is made by a mental health professional based on presence of obsessions, compulsions, or both. The amount of time spent on these behaviors daily. The impact on daily life and emotional distress. Treatment options. OCD can be managed through different treatments, including cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT exposure and response prevention, ERP. Medication, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs. Lifestyle changes and support, exercise, stress management, and support groups. Advanced treatments, deep brain stimulation, DBS, in severe cases. Impact of OCD on daily life. OCD can affect school and work, difficulty concentrating and completing tasks. Relationships, social withdrawal and frustration. Self-esteem, anxiety, guilt, or shame about compulsions. Common misconceptions about OCD. Myth. OCD is just about cleanliness. People with OCD can just stop if they try harder. OCD isn't serious. Truth. It involves intense anxiety and intrusive thoughts. OCD is a mental health condition that requires treatment. If untreated, it can lead to severe anxiety and depression. Conclusion. OCD is a serious but treatable mental health condition. Early recognition and professional help are key to recovery. Therapy, medication, and support can help individuals manage their symptoms. Seeking help is a brave and important step towards healing.